Okay. Now put the heading
Yes, sir.
pressure energy. Pressure energy. Okay. Now be ready. If P is pressure, P is pressure on the area A of a liquid, then the liquid moves through a distance L, small l. Due to this, due to pressure, okay. Now pressure of liquid will be pressure of a liquid is equal to, what is the formula? Work done. Pressure of a liquid means work done. देखिए ऑब्जेक्ट जो लिक्विड है, अगर लिक्विड का प्रेशर P है, एरिया A है, तो प्रेशर क्या होगा लिक्विड का? उस ए एरिया पर जितना वर्क होगा वही उसका क्या होगा? प्रेशर होगा. ठीक है. और if we want to find the work done, then we have to apply a formula, force into distance या displacement, force into distance. Okay. So pressure of a liquid means it will be work done means what? Pressure into area means work. Pressure into area into distance. Okay. Then what we can write? We can write pressure means P. Pressure means P. Area means A. And distance means L. Okay. As we know, now write down. As we know, the volume of liquid is area into length means volume, area into length. Okay. So we have to write the formula of pressure energy. We can write pressure energy per unit volume. Per unit volume is equal to what? Then the formula of pressure energy per unit volume is equal to P into P into A into L. Sorry. Okay. What will be the formula? Here, as we know, the volume of liquid is area into length. So pressure energy per unit volume. So pressure energy per unit volume is equal to pressure energy. Pressure means what? P into A means area and into length L. Okay. Per unit volume means A into L. A into L. Okay. So if we want to solve, then what we can find? We can find it is pressure P. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes,
Now
sir.
to the next heading. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Okay. Have you done it? Sweta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now, if a liquid of mass m, and its velocity is v, having volume of liquid capital V, then kinetic energy per unit volume, then kinetic energy per unit volume is equal to what happened? What is the formula of kinetic energy? As you know,
Half mv square.
kinetic energy is equal to half mv square.
V square. Yes.
Half mv square. So if we want to find kinetic energy per unit volume, then half mv square upon volume capital V. And better, as you know, small m upon capital V means what? Mass upon volume is equal to density, that is rho. So kinetic energy per unit volume is, you can write kinetic energy per unit volume is equal to, you can write na m upon, in the place of m upon v you can write rho. So finally formula will be what? Half rho v square, half rho v square. Write down. Done. Okay, now next heading, potential energy. Potential energy. If a liquid of mass m, of mass m is at height h, at height h from the surface of earth, from the surface of earth, then the potential energy U is equal to what? mgh. Huh? So potential energy per unit volume, potential energy per unit volume is equal to what? mgh upon capital V. mgh upon capital V. And here you can know, you can already, you have to write that m upon V is equal to what? Rho. So potential energy per unit volume is equal to per unit volume is equal to what? क्या हो जाएगा? Rho g h. क्या हो जाएगा? Rho g h. Write down. Next heading, सबसे important